Hey guys, it's Madison. Today I wanted to do a rainbow tree ring pour. I'm going to show you how I built my cup to do so and then show you how I do the tree ring. I'm going to start by getting my base white. All right, next we're going to build our cup. So I'm going to move the canvas over. Again, I'm going to start with a little bit of white. And then I'm going to go pink. Pink. Orange. Yellow. Now I'm not going to add green. The reason I do this is because the yellow and blue typically will mix on its own to create my green. Blue. Purple. And then just so I can have something different, a little interesting to show up in the middle of the pour, I do like to add a little bit of white. And some black. Okay. Nice and centered. Okay. Now, time for the tree ring. I'm gonna let it just fall and do slight circles. I didn't use all my paint in my cup because there's a lot going on. It's already starting to tilt. So. And I like this edge here where you can see all the colors, so I'm going to leave it. There's a lot of paint probably still on here though, so let's glide just a little bit of it off. Okay. You can see how much green showed up in this painting. To me, I see like a dragon belly right here. All right, and there is our rainbow tree ring pour.